Hello everyone, you are watching Curious Learner. In this video, we will be talking about converting images to patterns. I hope you had seen somewhere in the social media comments someone putting patterns in the comment. If not, I will show you now. Here I open my Instagram app and there you can see a meme page. I am going into the comments. Here you can see someone posting a pattern from the game Among Us. This comment had gone most of the likes and replies in this post. When I see the replies, most of the replies are asking for DMs because you can't copy comments from Instagram. Here you can see many of them are asking DMs, but I can't copy this. I don't know how do he create this, but I figured out a way to create this with a Python script. We don't need internet anymore to this video. This is my Python script. This is fully developed by me. So if you didn't able to understand some piece of code here, mention in the comments. Usually I will be using my PC to do coding, but now I am using mobile ID Pydroid because I hope all of you will be using your social media in your mobile. So if you don't know what's Pydroid, that's not a problem, you can use PC. I will post this source code in this description, but if you want to use it in the mobile, Pydroid tutorial is available in the description, check it out. Before explaining the code, I am going to show you the output. Here is a heart image downloaded from the internet, and I mentioned here the path of the image. Here I mentioned the path of the image, storage emulated download heart.jpg. I have this image in the download section. So if you don't know how to add path in the Android, then navigate to the terminal. Here you can see the root directory path. Copy paste this here and add the folders and files. Here I have them in the downloads, so I added downloads heart.jpg. That's the file name. I'm clicking the play button and I'm sure output won't be perfect because you need to adjust some values here. Wait a minute. You need to adjust some values here in the print statement because every image has a different quality, and we will use emojis also in the future, so there will be no spacebar level in the level as a universal level, so you should adjust the spacebar. I am going to add 2 spacebars and press the play button. Here you can see that this pattern now looks good. Then here I used a simple uniform, that's the name of the function. The code and the algorithm is very simple. I added 3 types of features here: multiple uniform, multiple random, and single uniform, so that the code looks big. That's not actually a big code, it's a simple code only. The algorithm is I am converting image to pattern, then whenever the color of the image matches my conditions, if conditions, here you can see the if condition, if minimum of a of I of j is less than 100, a of I of j is the array form of the image. Okay, if it matches the if condition, it will print symbols in that pixels, else it will print the space. Here the values 100 in the if condition is the weightage of the color. You can adjust these values to get better results. That's all the simple algorithm. Before going further, I am going to show you how to share this output. I press the play button. Here the output is generated. Then long press and click copy all. Then go to any of your shareable platform. I am going to WhatsApp. Then I am going to paste this. Erase the program finished, then send it. That's all. Here at the top you can change the size of the output pattern size. When I click the play button, see now the output is a little bigger. So I'm going to change the size from 15 to 10, any integer value. Now the output is small. If you want a large output, you can hit 20. This is not looking like hard because we can show you in the mobile screen is very small. You can use PC, so I'm going to set 15. If you want large patterns, you should use PC. Then there is a little one, the print dot. This is to make sure our output is not collapsed while sharing, because many social media will ignore the initial spaces in this message. For example, when I click the play button, without this dot, these all spaces will be ignored from the first line, and these two dots will be appear in the first place. This will collapse our output. So this little dot will prevents happening that. Then let me tell you about various functions. I only discussed about single uniform. There are multiple uniform and multiple random. Before going into that multiple uniform and multiple random, you can not only print dot in single uniform, you can print any characters. For example, I am going to print H. It will show you heart with the H. You can print any characters. Okay. Wait for a minute. Okay, let's go to multiple uniform. This have two types of options. Here I mentioned this in the comment section for your reference: vertical and horizontal pattern. So you have to specify I or J in that. J is for vertical and I is for horizontal. Here I am going to replace this single uniform from this to multiple uniform. I am going to copy this. And I am going to paste this here. Of I. When I click the play button, okay, you have to change some values here, spaces. Okay, when I click the play button, you can see that there are a bunch of symbols in this heart pattern which are oriented horizontally. So when I click I, it will oriented in horizontal. When I click J, it will orient vertical. Here you can see that exclamation marks are in the first line and at are in the second line, hashtags are in the third line. Like this, the symbols will orient in the horizontal direction. When I change the I to J, it will orient in the vertical direction. That's all the features in multiple random. Here the symbols are in the list I mentioned here: P equal to exclamation and at hashtag, like that. You can change to anything, emoji, smiling emoji, a heart, or something words A B C D like that. You can change to anything but in a string, so that it will print that pattern. I don't want to show demo for each of them. As in the single uniform, you can copy that pattern and paste to social medias. It will be all right. Okay, I don't want to mention each and every demos. If you have any problem, mention me in the comments. Then multiple random. These consist of symbols in the list in random order. Every time you run the program, your output will be different. I am going to execute a multiple random. Multiple random does not consist of I and j or something, because these have only one pattern, a random pattern. I copy this and paste this here. When I click the play button, you can see the symbols are in the random manner, the symbols in the list are in the random manner. When I close this program and play again, this will be in the another random manner. So whenever you execute the program, it will be in a different random manner. So that's all the multiple random, and here we completed all the methods. You can use anything here in the list. I can demonstrate with the emoji here. Now I'm going to use a heart emoji in the single uniform. Okay, that would be great if you print a heart with the emoji of hearts. Copy, paste. Single uniform, I think it needs spacing. Then I'm going to remove this dot. I'm going to replace this dot with the heart. So it needs some indentation here. So spacing here. Okay, experiment with this spacings here, here and in the end region here. Then single uniform and this end region here. These three areas, experiment with the spacing, and you can get accurate heart with the heart emojis. Okay. And at last, I forgot to say one thing. You can flip your patterns just by inverting the weightage value. Here I am going to remove the heart and insert a dot here. Okay, here is our pattern, our usual dot pattern. So the dot pattern, the dots are filled inside the hearts. If I want the dots to fill outside the heart, I just change this lesser than to greater than. If I press, you can see here the dots are outside the heart and there is nothing inside the heart pattern, so it's also a heart pattern. Let me demonstrate with the multiple random. Spacings. Okay, this one is the pattern which we saw earlier. I am going to invert this. When I click the play button, you can see here the symbols are placed outside the heart. Okay, that's all the video. Thanks for watching. Share it to your friends and subscribe to this channel to get notified whenever we put new videos.